What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Hugger Orange Time 1969 Camaro. Big block 454. 4-speed car. Real clean, real nice. Badged up SS. Got the white painted on stripe. Rally wheels. Tires are in good shape all the way throughout. Good paint. Clean, clean, clean. Runs out real strong. Everything's working the way it should. All your lights, all your gauges, everything is working. Love the Hugger Orange. Body's in great shape. All your chrome in front is good. Front valance and lights that are working, badged out SS. Hood lines up wonderful. Paint on the hood is good, no flaws. Driver's fender, 454 badged out. This is all painted in. Fender to the door, gaps out right. Sport mirror, lines up good on the bottom. And from the quarter to the door as well. All the chrome around the window is good. All your glass is good. All the way throughout, no chips. Wipers are working. No story on the roof. Paint is good on the rear quarter. Rear tire, excellent shape. Rear glass, good shape. Fresh, fresh, fresh. The chrome is good all the way throughout. Rear chrome bumper, good shape. All your lights intact, no cracks. One little tiny little, like something in the, I don't know if it's in there. Looks fine though. Got a little drip of paint here. Barely see it. Just want you to know exactly what you're getting. Passenger quarter, great shape. Gaps out well. Bottom gap is good, door to fender, very good. Sport mirror on this side. No paint flaws, except that little one I showed you, that drip and stuff. Check how nice the inside is. Rear deck is good. Back seat's in great shape. Headliner, sun visors intact. Your seats are great. Fresh, fresh, fresh. It's a real nice car. Door panels. Look how clean it is in here. Go to the other side. Door panel's in good shape. All your weather stripping is in good shape all the way throughout the whole entire car. Nothing to do. Just enjoy. All your carpet's good. Dash, no cracks, fresh, fresh, fresh. Everything's fresh in here. I think it's got 5,000 miles on the build or less. I'll have to double check. This shows 40,043 on the odometer. Steering wheel's in good shape. Trunk is great. All your weather stripping. Clean. Clean underneath as well. Very fresh. It's got power steering, power disc brakes. Nice car. No disappointments here. Let's see if I could do this. Hold on. There we go. Power brakes, power steering, upgraded headers, 454 big block, nice and clean. Suspension's been done. Like I said, it drives out great, handles good, a lot of pull, clutch is in good shape. Aluminum radiator, keep you nice and cool. All your belts and hoses are in great shape. Clean, Kevin. Clean. It's got Excel on there. Ignition. Really nice. Fire this beast up. Gas gauge is working. Great sound. Rich, I'll turn that down. If you're looking to do some financing with this, please go to my website. If you're a 640 to a 739, 10% down will go as far as 84 months. Go to mgmclassiccars.com, find the car, hit apply now. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Fill out the app, usually approval within 24 hours. Sometimes no money down, again, up to 84 months financing. We have over 100 vehicles in inventory ready for delivery. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, opened and enclosed. So if you have any questions on any of our cars, go to our website, mgmclassiccars.com, call me and text me if you need any questions answered, or text me and call me if you have any questions on shipping. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl, 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We are open from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. You got to call me or text me so I get you in, 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook. Thanks for spending a few minutes on this beautiful 1969 Hugger Orange Camaro. It's a nice car. Give me a call. Have a great day, everybody.